it's your girl Iamdevonanicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. So I am here finally with my FabFitFun winter box. Sis has been busy and has not had time to show you guys this box. So let me go ahead and show you what's in my FabFitFun winter 2023 box. This is an annual well, it's actually a quarterly subscription. You can pay annually or you could pay quarterly. I pay $219.99 for the yearly, for the annual. And then if you want to purchase this box here quarterly, you can. And it's $59.99 a quarter. So they do summer, winter, fall, spring boxes every year. So they have a pretty high value, I guess, based on what's in your box. If you're an annual member, you do get to make all of your selections, which I get to make. So everything in here I did pick from the selections that I was given. So let's get into unboxing my 2023 winter box for FabFitFun. And this is a small little box, isn't it? I think I picked all the small stuff this time. I did have some stuff on the side, which I am also going to show you guys the add-ons that I also picked up in addition to getting the box. So let's get started. So guys, when you get the box, they have all of this stuff in here, and it's always some kind of advertisement with Hello Fresh. And then they have some kind of scratch-off game you guys can play. And then it was something else in here, wasn't it? Oh yeah. And then they added this in here, Family Switch. So I guess this is a new movie that's coming out that they also threw in information about on Netflix. So that's up to y'all if y'all want to watch. I don't know. I'm not a huge super crazy Christmas movie person, but I can appreciate a good Christmas movie or two. So let's get this stuff out the way. And then let's just start off with like the first thing in here. So the first thing in here, I did select the commodity milk, and yes, I did already receive this in my Ipsy icon box. So I selected it again as a gift for someone else, but this is what it looks like outside of the box. I do enjoy this fragrance, so this is the one for myself, and this is the one I'm giving as a gift. So this is what it looks like. I do enjoy the commodity brand. If you don't know, I have tried initially with this brand. I started off with the fragrance milk. That was my first introduction to this brand, and we get 1 ounce here. I think this is a great way to figure out if you like the scent or not. And this here is valued at, what is this one valued at? Does it say? $75 it says for this size. Here's the manufacturer's price for this. But I do enjoy fragrances. I have sampled gold, and that's why I picked it up for myself, and then I picked it up as a gift to give to someone else for the holidays. So that's what I selected. This is the first thing out of our box, so let's just go to the next one. So guys, the next item I selected for this box is an Olaplex product. This is number 9, and this is their Bond Protector. So this is a nourishing hair serum. It says looks can be deceiving, and silky strands that emerge after using this product are as strong as they are soft. This product instantly protects your hair and shields it from pollution, as well as it also reduces tangles and adds shine to your hair, and it's great for all hair types from what I understand. They're coily, curly, straight, wavy. So I've been wanting to try the Olaplex line, so I've been quietly curating like bits and pieces when I get opportunities from the subscription boxes to like add on another piece. So I did, and I picked this product here up for myself to try out with this brand. This product does have a $30 value, so and this is for 3 fluid ounces of the Bond Protector hair serum for me to try out. So I figured this is a good size to really know if I like it or not. So I picked this one out as selection number 2. So let's go to my next one. So, keeping with the theme of hair, I picked up this Way product. I really like this leave-in conditioner. I tried it for the first time with Fat Fit and Fun. It came in one of my other boxes, and I really like using this. So, this is a leave-in conditioner. This has a value of $26, and my hair likes it, so I just felt like I should just grab another one. So it says, leave the arm work to the gym. That says, this tiring task of detangling your hair will now be a lot easier with this product. This is a leave-in that saves you time and energy while serving as a heat protectant, a detangler, and a frizz fighter all at the same time. So, you know, that's a plus any day for any of us curly, coily hair girls. So I do like this product, and I picked this up from my box. So let's see what's next. So the next item I picked up, guys, was I selected the Dose by Rosie Jane fragrance. This is a travel size kind of spray, basically. This is valued at, I think it's, what is it, $28. This is the travel size. So Dose, and this is the spray here. I did pick this up to give as a gift to someone else because I already have it. And I like the way it smells. So this is a gift that I picked up for someone else for the holidays. And that's what I love about like Fat Fit Fun. I know I can pick my selection, so sometimes I pick things and I know I'm giving them to other people. So that is the best part, that you're giving them something nice quality. I do enjoy this. I think I first got introduced to this in a small roller, but I really enjoy the way this smells. It smells great. So if you haven't tried this out and you're a fragrance girl, go smell this at Sephora or something like that. This really smells good. So I'm giving this as a gift for the holidays. So let's see what else I selected. Okay, guys, so for the next selection, I could not decide what to pick, so I selected the mystery item. So the mystery item that they sent me is normally like a favorite that kind of sells out and they just give it to you. So what they selected for me was the Spongele Sweet Cedar Wood. This is their exfoliator. Let me pull it out of here so I can show it to you. But yeah, so this is how it comes. And I love these because they last a long time. I didn't get a value or anything on this one because it was a mystery item. But normally I'll select the mystery item if it's things that I already have, already tried, and that's for me because I've been with Fat Fit Fun for so long. I've tried a lot of the different things. Sometimes they have repeat things come back as selections, which is great if you enjoyed them or you didn't catch them the last time. But for me, if I already got them, I'm not going to choose them again unless I'm planning on giving it to someone else. So I'll just choose a mystery item sometime to try to pick something a little different or see if they'll give me something a little different. So this was cool that I got the Spongele. I love these little Spongeles. These are just great. So if you haven't used these, give these a whirl. But I do like the Spongele. So this was a great mystery choice for me to receive. So let's see what else I have. Oh no, is this something else? There's one thing left in here. Okay. So guys, my last selection was the 111 skin or 311 skin, however you want to call it. This is their Black Diamond Brightening Essence. So I did select this. This is a $43 value. A little information about this product. It's a lightweight skincare must-have. It's enriched with anti-aging peptides fused with fine diamond particles, aiding in a complexion that appears more lifted, firmer, brighter, and even. So that's perfect for me. And again, this has a $43 value. Let me take it out the box so I can show it to you. I love skincare because there's no way you can have a flawless look in terms of makeup without having a flawless base. So if you take good care of your skin, then you will have a beautiful base for makeup and you will have a beautiful look. This product, guys, is valued at $43. And again, this is a skincare. This is an essence. So this is perfect for me. I picked this. This is great for myself. I did pick some add-ons, which I also want to share with you guys. So let's go hop to what I picked in my add-ons. So guys, FFF does allow you to make extra choices after you do your basic selection. So if you saw something else in one customization that you want to also purchase, they do allow you to do that. And I did pick up some items. One of them I don't remember putting in my list. I'm swearing that I'm just swiping and I'm not paying attention and things are being added, because this is like the second time I have something that I know I wouldn't have selected, and I remember looking at my list and I don't remember catching this. So let's go ahead and let me just show you what it is. So I did pick up the Elemis face cream. That is one of my favorite creams. This is good if you got acne. Oh my god, this stuff helps clear up your face so good. So this is the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. This stuff is good. So I did pick this up. Now this is a pretty expensive product. This product has a $93 value. So I picked this up because I've used it quite a while, for a couple of years, and I enjoy it. So I'm gonna just show it what it looks like outside of the packaging, just so you guys can see if you've never seen it. So this is the product here, and I think I discovered this a few years ago on QVC is how I came across this product. So anytime I get an opportunity to buy it and it's on sale, I just kind of grab it. So that's one of the items that I selected. The second item I selected, well, I don't remember selecting this item. They said I selected it, but I don't remember selecting this. So which is funny to me, because this is the second time this has happened that I recall. And I'm thinking, like, as I'm sliding my hand through that, it must have clicked on it and added it to my cart, because I don't remember selecting this. So I have the Hanky Panky Wash and Wear Bag. So this is for travel. Let me take it out the bag here. And it's not that I can't use it. I just wouldn't select this just because I use those compression bags. And once one big compression bag is done when I travel, I normally put dirty clothes in there, and I know which one it is because they're colored. But this is the wash. Yeah, this is the wear bag. So this is so you use this when you know you have dirty clothes, and it has like the little drawstrings here. So you could kind of close it up once your dirty clothes are in here and separate them from your clean clothes when you travel. I mean, the idea is great. So they give you a wear and they give you a wash. But I generally wouldn't pick this up. So I'm thinking, did I pick this up to give as a gift to somebody? Because I don't remember selecting this. This one, so these were valued at $38 for this set of the wash and wear bags by Hanky Panky. And then I have one other item that I also picked up as a gift for someone else for the holidays. And this is the Macy Blackwell Short Stories Tiered App Tray. This has a value of $45. And I'm just showing you guys how it looks out of the box. I'm just putting it together. It has the grooves on the back here. So we can just lay that in place, and then we have one more to lay right into place, and voila! Isn't that cute? Let me make sure I got it stable. Yeah, it's stable. So I think this is really, really cute, especially for your desserts or cheeses. This would be fun. And it looks rather sturdy. It doesn't look like it's cheap or anything, but I think it's really cute for the holiday time. You got company coming, you could just go ahead and put this lovely little display of your desserts or appetizers on here, and I think it would be awesome. But I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like all put together outside of the box. I thought this was fun. It was a fun box. I picked out the things that I wanted out of the selections that I had, so I'm pretty happy with what I have. And I grabbed some extra presents for people for Christmas, so that worked out perfect for me. So it was like a one-stop shopping. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you guys picked up at FabFitFun's winter box. Did you like the selections, or are you like a annual member, or are you like a seasonal member? And did you like what your selections were, or did you not like them too much? I would love to communicate with you guys down in the comment. Hit me up in the comment. Let me know what you got. But until my next video, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. If you have not subscribed to this channel already, please consider doing so. I do post weekly. I love sharing what's in my subscription boxes with you. So tap the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and you will know when my next video posts. But until then, I will catch you on the next video. Have an awesome day. Bye.